students. Today we'll talk about the chemistry of cookies. Let us know about this in detail. Have you ever wondered why some cookies come out thin and crunchy, while others are flat and fluffy, yet still others are soft and chewy? A cookie's texture largely depends on how much the dough spreads before the structure sets during baking. These processes, in turn, are affected by the choice of ingredients and how they interact. Understanding these relationships can help you predict the outcome. By playing around with the ingredients in your favorite recipe, you can tweak these reactions and engineer your ideal cookie. For instance, you can make it chewier, fluffy, or thinner. We'll get to that part later, but first, let's take a look at the 3 major steps of the cookie baking process. 1. The spread. As the cookie dough starts to heat up, the butter inside it melts. The ball of dough loses its structural integrity and spreads out. The diameter of the cookie is set by how long the cookie expands. 2. The rise. At about 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the water in the dough turns into steam. The cookie starts to rise as the vapors push through the dough. Eventually, the baking soda or powder starts to break down into carbon dioxide gas, which rises up the cookie farther. All these gases leave little holes in the maturing cookie, which makes it light and flaky. 3. Color and flavor injection. Now the magic really starts to happen. Just as the cookie is almost finished baking, 2 chemical reactions fill it with hundreds of flavors and infuse it with its characteristic brown hue. First off, there's caramelization. As sugars in the dough break down, they transform from clear, odorless crystals into a brown, fragrant liquid that's overflowing with aromas and tastes. Think butterscotch, sweet rum, and popcorn. The second yummy process, called the Maillard reaction, packs the cookie with even richer tastes. The reaction involves not only the sugars in the dough, but the proteins from the egg and flour as well. So it turns out toasty, nutty, and even savory flavors. The Maillard reaction also helps to darken the cookie's surface.